Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to add credits to your videos using Filmora. In the previous video of this series, we learned that how to extract a particular frame from the video. And in this tutorial, we will learn how to add credits to videos using Filmora. Let's begin the video. For that, you have a video, add media by clicking this button. I already have added media here. I want to add credits for this particular video. I will go to titles, click over here, and here you can find end credits. Click on it. There are so many templates given over here. Select any one that you like. For now, I am adding this one. Move your cursor to the end of the screen. Click on this small plus button to add the credit in the end of your video, and here you go. Take care. We can edit it. If I double click over here, I will have all the credits here. I can change it. For example, let's say I want to make changes here. Credit as producer. Press OK, and let's play this again. Take care. What changes I made over here you can see, and if you want you can make further changes as per your desire. I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up and I will share the link. I have created this playlist for the beginners who want to learn editing in Filmora. I will give the link in the I button and in the description also so that you can check it out. See you in the next video in which we will learn how to create fed effect in Filmora. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.